These are LED Footwell Colourful lights that can be purchased online for about £10. Each strip has 12 LED lights, has a remote sensor, controller box, long wiring to be wired around your car, and comes with a remote. Now you can easily plug and play the lights by using your USB slot, or you can wire it to your fuse box. Now I'm just getting them installed in a Honda FRV. We had a slight issue when connecting to the fuse box on this car, which shouldn't happen, but anyway, another connection you can use is from the interior lighting, which was working perfectly fine. So all we had to do is feed and hide the wires across the side, making sure the light strips is all good to be installed. Now on the back of the light strips it carries a double-sided self-adhesive tape. If it's not sticky enough you can always attach more for that extra hold. Apply the strips at the footwell and leave a bit of loose wire at the back of the seat just in case if you want to move the seat back and forth. So on the remote you have the on and off buttons, increase or dim the lights, different colour lights to choose from, jumping lights and fade. The numbers 1, 2 and 3 are the solid lights that jump different colours while synchronizing with your music. And number 4, what I figured out is that there is no light but jumps different colours while the music is played. There doesn't really have to be music played, you can also have the radio on of a talk show and it will attract the sound to set the lights on. Overall it's a good interior lighting to have that adds a lovely atmosphere while you're on a drive.
وسلم دائما أبدا. Wisdom to the men, courage to the women. My music is my medicine. When you listen, gives adrenaline.